You probably never heard of how AI, artificial intelligence, was discovered. We'll discuss what artificial intelligence is, name the actual pioneers who discovered artificial intelligence research, neural networks, leading career fields that use AI, self-driving cars, and yes, Neuralink. Artificial intelligence (AI) is the intelligence exhibited by machines, as well as computer systems capable of replicating behaviors that require human intelligence. These systems may learn, reason and make decisions. Central to this concept of AI is the idea of increasingly sophisticated machines capable of more effective interaction with their environment. AI has become a major part of our daily lives, in that it can be seen in many products we use every day, such as the checkout cashier at your local grocer or even the navigation system on your phone. Artificial intelligence (AI) can be traced back to the 1950s, when researchers first began exploring the idea of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. The field of AI research was officially founded at a conference held at Dartmouth College in 1956, where a group of researchers proposed the study of how to make machines use language, form abstractions and concepts, solve all kinds of human problems, and improve society. These researchers, who included John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, were considered the pioneers of the field of artificial intelligence (AI). They discussed the idea of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence, and envisioned AI as a field of study that would encompass many different subfields, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning, among others. The early years of AI research were marked by optimism and a belief that intelligent machines could be developed relatively quickly. Researchers focused on developing programs that could perform specific tasks, such as playing chess or solving mathematical problems, using a technique called rule-based systems. However, progress in the field was slower than expected, and by the 1970s, funding for AI research began to decline. This period, known as the AI winter, was characterized by a lack of progress and a general sense that the initial goals of AI research were overly ambitious. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI research experienced a resurgence, driven in part by advances in computer hardware and the development of new techniques such as neural networks and machine learning. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that are modeled after the way the human brain works. They are designed to recognize patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based on the data. Neural networks are used in a wide range of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and self-driving cars. The idea of neural networks can be traced back to the 1940s and 1950s, but the first working neural network was developed by a team of researchers at the University of Plymouth in the UK in the early 1950s. The team was led by Dr. Ross Ashby, who called it the homeostat. The device was intended to simulate the behavior of the human brain. However, the first real breakthrough in neural networks came with the development of the perceptron by Frank Rosenblatt in the late 1950s. The perceptron was a type of neural network that could be trained to recognize patterns in data, such as images of handwritten digits. In the 1980s, a group of researchers led by Geoffrey Hinton and David Rumelhart began to develop a new type of neural network called a backpropagation network, which could be trained more efficiently and effectively than the perceptron. This development was a key factor in renewing the interest in neural networks and leading the way for the current deep learning breakthroughs. Nowadays, neural networks are widely used and developed by many researchers and companies, such as Google, Facebook, Baidu, Microsoft among others. With the increasing amount of data and computational power available, the field of neural networks is constantly evolving and improving. Today, AI is an interdisciplinary field that draws on computer science, mathematics, psychology, and other fields, and it has become an important tool in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and self-driving cars, among others. There are still many challenges to be addressed and areas to be improved, but the field of AI has come a long way since its earliest days. Speaking of self-driving cars, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla since 2008, has led the company into being one of the most popular self-driving car companies in the world. Tesla's self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. These cars are equipped with advanced sensors and technology that allow them to navigate the road and make decisions on their own, without the need for human intervention. Self-driving cars can provide greater mobility for people who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled, allowing them to maintain their independence and freedom. And with the ability to communicate with other self-driving cars on the road, traffic congestion and travel times could be greatly reduced, making our cities more livable and sustainable. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk with the goal of developing implantable brain-machine interfaces (BMIs). Neuralink's current objective is to create an interface that can be implanted in the human brain. This device is being tested for people who want to communicate directly with computers and other machines while having their thoughts monitored. Humans and machines would be merged together, via software that can understand signals recorded by the device and turn them into actions that can be used to control machines, like a computer or a robot, so persons using Neuralink would also be considered robotic. Neuralink has not yet begun human trials nor released a product. While there are still many challenges to be addressed and areas to be improved, it's clear that the field of AI has come a long way since its earliest days, and it will continue to evolve and shape the future in many ways. Tell us in the comments section what you found to be the most interesting part of AI and Neuralink discovery. Please click like, subscribe, and the bell notification to be informed of the latest upcoming information in technology. Thanks for watching, and get your hustle on to level up, baby.